All right, this video is about how you can add variable product compared to when you used to have virtual or downloadable product. So I'm very fast. Okay, the first thing you need to do is, of course, you go to add new products. I'm already on that page. This is the same page you used to have. So let's call it maybe sample products. Let's call it sample products. So here you have your description, of course, your normal description. Now, this is where the issue is. Initially, our product data used to be simple products where you cannot click on virtual or downloadable. Yeah, but this time around, we are not dealing with virtual products. We are not dealing with downloadable products. So the product data now will be variable products. You can see that the interface changed after clicking that variable product. So this is where the work is now. So after clicking on the variable products, come to attributes. Click on attributes because you need attributes for those variable products like sizes, color, and what have you. Those are the things I can think of right now. So let's say size. Now you click on size. Then in the values you type maybe, let's say, small. Now if you want to separate between two different or more than two attributes, use this sign. I don't know the name, but it's like a stroke, a straight stroke, not the slant one. So I'll show you where it is on the keyboard. So a straight stroke, small, let's say medium, another straight stroke, large. Yeah, if you have more you can type that. So I've done for the size now. Then you can add maybe color. Now I click on add new. Okay, let's say color. Now let's do white. See the same process: white, black, brown. Okay, so after that click on save attributes. Now after adding the attribute, the next thing for you to do is now to go to variation. Don't forget you are dealing with variable products. After adding the attributes, if you have more attributes, you can always type that. I don't know the attribute to use for bags, but I know of sizes and colors. So once that is done, click on variation. Now you can now start adding the variation. This variation is where you now start saying, okay, oh, for small black bag the price is 10 naira. For small brown bag the price is 20 naira. One after the other. So you can decide to add it manually, but personally, since I'm using all the attributes for my products, then I prefer to generate the variations automatically. So just click generate variation. This, if you click on this, it will automatically merge all the attributes together. Can you see? For small bag we have different colors. For small bag we have white, small bag brown. Okay, so I didn't separate this one with the attributes. I hope you understand. I didn't separate it with that stroke. That's the reason why you're having black brown. I did I separated with that stroke, I won't be having black and brown together. It will be black separate, brown separate. I hope you understand that part. So we have all the attributes for small, we have all the attribute for medium, all the attribute for large. Yeah. So you can now start editing it one after the other. To save time, I'll just remove some, please. Let me remove some. You can remove this. Let me remove this. Let me remove this. No. Let me remove this one. Let me remove this and let me remove this large. So this is just to save time. Normally we are supposed to edit all the attributes one after the other. So you click on all the variation you want to edit now. So this is the normal way we add prices, the usual way we do that. So let's assume, okay, this is 20,000 naira. If you are doing a sale discount rather, so you can easily do that. If you don't want to do sales discount, just forget about this one. Then the picture for that particular product, that particular variation. So of course you must have different colors or different variations, pictures of different variations with you. So you upload it. I'm assuming that this is the picture. Okay. So if you know the weight, you type it. Let's say 20 kg. If you know the dimension, you type it. Then this shipping section, I will do another video for that. So this is for the variation. Then okay, I think that's all. So if there's any other information you want to type, obviously you can type it here. So for brown, let's say this. I don't know if I've chosen that picture, but let's say that. Okay, so this is 15 naira. The kg is 90 kg. If there's any description, you type it here, of course. Then for large, let's use this. Okay, the amount is 40,840. If you are doing a sales, you do that. The kg, let's say, if you know the dimension, so any information you have. So once that is done, click on save changes. Save changes. So after saving the changes, of course, product short description, the usual way is to type it. That's the description that will appear first. So type that. Then the product category, let me say handbags. Okay, if there are other categories that are not listed, you can add new, or you let me know. I will do that for you. Then product tag, let's say bag. Product tag is just anything you feel that if people should search, they can see your bag. So I used to advise that you use the name of your brand first, the name of the product next, then any other thing you want to add. So let me just use these two for now. Okay, you can have more than two tags, so as many as possible. Then the image, so the image that will first appear, you can have maybe a group picture of all the bags now in one picture. That will be the product image. It depends on you, but I'm just giving an idea. Okay, let's say this is the product. No, let me use this. Okay, let's say this is the product image. So if you so wish, you can use product gallery, but it usually look rough to me because you're not dealing with a virtual product. So product, since you already have variable products, you don't need to be adding product gallery. It depends on you anyway. If you still want to add it, no problem. But personally, I think it will be rough. It will make the interface be rough. So if there's any other information you are missing, I think that's all. So okay, yeah, that's all. So after that, you just publish. Now let's view the product and see how it looks. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Can you see? So you can see the picture that appeared first is the first picture, the product image itself. So now let's choose our variation. You can see variations there, sizes. Let me choose small now, then choose color white for small. That was the only variation with it. Can you see the picture changed? Then the price also changed, so they cannot add to cart. Let's say for large, let's assume color white, so 40,800. Let me take this back to normal and choose medium. Can you see color brown? Can you see? So it's very, very simple. So when they add to cart, they can also see any other information you type. They will definitely see it on this particular page. Add to cart, then they can make payments. That's it. It's very simple. So in the next video, I'll just explain shipping, how shipping is done, and I think that's all.